So, good morning. It is our day at sea. I'm getting a spot by Funnel Vision. Maybe she'll want to watch some movies today. But it'll be something different than sitting by the splash pad. So, getting my seat. Never mind, I moved to a comfy bed by the splash pad. Evelyn should be up soon.
What you think of your churro waffle? That num num num. That num num nums. Your churro waffle? There we go. Eat it, baby girl. Eat it. You know it's good.
Look who's up. Look who's up. It's almost 9 a.m. It's almost 9 a.m. Hi. Evelyn, our pool time might get rained out. What are you doing? What are you doing? The water is rocking. What are you doing? Rexy? You still have to be tall.
Next cruise.
I don't think you grew 2 inches overnight. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Big jump. Oh gosh.
Should we tell her?
What?
Should we tell her?
Tell her what?
It's open.
Oh, yeah.
By that girl.
Woody's open.
You go Woody?
You gonna go to Woody?
You on there?
It's open.
It's open.
Where are you going? Are you going to Woody? You can go. She's just living it up. The pool is like rocking. Whee! Here comes the wave. Whee! Brought my popcorn up for a snack. Hopefully the sun comes out soon. It should. It's working on it. Jesse? Now, where's Bullseye? Where's Bullseye? You wanna go down the slide? Still waiting to go down the slide. There's Bullseye. Aww. Go get Daddy. Ah! Say hello, Mr. Alien. No. Should Mommy go down the slide? No? Got you? Do you love the alien? Can you give him a big hug? Give him a hug. Aww. It got you. It got you. There's Daddy. Going for a walk? No?
Oh man, you're so wet.
We're watching The Lion King. He's gonna fight Scar. Uh-oh. Is he gonna go get Scar? They're gonna go fight? with some epic music. Where's Simba? Where's Simba? Where's Simba? Time for some epic music. Get it, Simba. Get it. 1, 2, 3, go! Go!
Let it go. Go, go, go.
Go, go, go! Daddy's bringing us food. Yeah. I got some Goofy's Grill. Daddy was our DoorDash.
Daddy's DoorDash.
Yeah. Eat some fries. I came back to the adult only section. I'm sitting in the circle pool. It's very busy right now. Here's my view while she naps. Look at how rocky it is. See the water? So I'm gonna go try to get some spots for Moana. So we're inside for Moana. Let's see how fast it fills up. Hey, can we make it through at least half the show? Just half. Would that be good? Half. You made it! You made it through the show! You did so good! You did so good! Did you like it?
I did.
I liked it this time more than the first time. Yeah. Like I felt like there was, I mean it's the same, but I just felt like there was more singing.
Yeah.
You made it through an hour show.
I don't know how. I'll check them.
I was very happy she sat through the whole thing.
Sorry.
Evelyn is playing. Oh, I think she's on the stage. I have this deliciousness. Non-alcoholic. It's very good. I'm just sitting at Scat Cat. I don't know where Eddie went. Are you eating your dinner? You want the
Are
pizza?
you gonna eat Daddy's pizza?
Daddy's? No one ever wants the pepperoni. That's the one that's always there. But I got margarita this time because it was there. I will say today is pretty rocky. What does she want? She sees Daisy. You had pizza. She's loving her pizza. You just got some pizza in your hand. There you go.
To the left.
Let's go do some toddler time. There you go.
Are we going to cargo?
You got the ball? Do you like that ball? That ball is cool. Yeah? Whoa. Go down the slide? It's kind of a sad slide. There you go. Good job. Still got your ball? Which one are you going to go to? Can you point it out? Nope. She's gone. What are you doing? Whee! Are you on Big Thunder? Whoa. There you go. Whoa. Is that fun?
Uh-oh. Come on, big hugs. Come on. Big hugs. Sit right next to Tiana. Big hugs. Aww. Big hugs.
So we're back at 1923. Night 2. Night 2. No Evelyn.
No alcohol?
No Evelyn.
Oh, no Evelyn.
I might get the 3 cheese souffle. And I might get the white onion soup. And I might just stick with salmon.
What am I gonna get?
Lobster tail. Here's my
Ball of cheese.
cheese souffle. Eddie had to get 2 appetizers.
I got
The shrimp and oysters. The oysters look nasty.
They're baked.
Gross. This was very good.
Their cheese ball?
Yeah, I'm surprised because none of the other appetizers called me.
That's good.
Let's try my soup tonight.
You get soup tonight.
White onion.
White onion, good. You got a soup? White onion. That sounds interesting.
It's by far the worst soup I've had. That's unfortunate.
Is it really horrible?
No, like I'll eat it, but like all the other soups are like 10 times better.
All right.
Add some butter to this.
So, I got a lobster tail and venison. I'm excited about that. She played it safe with some salmon, but she also got the fish.
I'll
We're
try
both
the
going to
fish.
try that.
I'll try
Be
it.
nice. Be nice. Dude was pretty quick at taking it out of the shell. Your salmon's good?
Salmon's good.
All right.
And we have the lava cake for dessert. Eddie's ready. I'm ready too. It's like the first dessert that I'm ready for.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last night we had dessert in the room.
We did.
We left Coco early. Bye, 1923. We're gonna go see the pub. Is there room? So we're here in Periscope. I still like Cake and Compass more. They didn't have Eddie's beer.
They did not. So she recommended something.
We'll see.
We'll see.
I think even I had last time the one that you said you wanted.
Yeah. That kind of stuff.
And then like Caitlin invaded us.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's rude.
Who are you watching?
Everyone is just being very angry right now because they changed it to hockey.
Well, they changed every TV to the same hockey game.
Ay,
They had the
ay,
draft
ay.
one, they had
Ay,
hockey,
ay,
and they
ay.
had baseball.
Ay, ay, ay.
So this is my beer. Well, the menu says it's a stout, but it tastes like an IPA. It is a Submariner Stout. It's one of their specialties on tap, but it tastes pretty good. It tastes like an IPA. So, I'm not disappointed. Is it Berg water? No. Could be.